Yo, what's up and what's going on? It's your boy Dee.WildTv coming at you with another video. And today, I'm out at the pond, man. We're about to just do some fishing. I'm shaking real bad right now, man. Let me put the camera somewhere. I just got a new rod in the favorite white bird, man. So I'm gonna go out here and try that thing out. I want to break it in and try to get a nice fish. Hopefully we can get some fish on it. Y'all just stick around, man. Let's get it.
What is that? Oh my! Good shit, good shit. You're good, just fight it. Let it fight. I'll move the boat.
Man, if one hits this, they're gonna destroy it, bro. This fluke is just like fluttering through the water column. It's not really diving that deep just because I don't have any weight on it, but I don't really want to have a weight on it. I'm thinking this morning, if these fish are gonna be up there and they're eating on bait fish, they're definitely gonna be suspended, you know? So I wanted to look as natural as possible. The rod feels so smooth though, man. Like, throwing this bait on this rod just feels so effortless. On the Vengeance, I mean, I could throw flukes and stuff on it, but they jump, it wouldn't feel as good as this, and I wouldn't be making such accurate casts like effortlessly. The time for the fluke to like work itself, like to die, and it look like it's a dying bait fish, you know. There's a fish, y'all. Small one. First fish on the favorite rod, man. Boom. I mean, it wasn't even he's a dink, bro. So it wasn't the best fight on the rod, but that was number one, and it was on the favorite, so it makes me happy. Got him. Up under there, man. I didn't think I didn't get a good hook set on him. When it actually went in there. Oh, come on, dude. When it went in there, I didn't think a fish would have grabbed it so instantly, bro. Then I just like reeled it out instead of actually setting the hook on him. I need to bow this rod over. I've been just giving some baby hook set out today, man. No, I knew that wasn't gonna happen. Come on, give it back. Nope. Give it back. No, spider web. Dude, I got a fish this whole freaking time, bro. You kidding me, bro? What? Where you come from, bro? Where you come from? Huh? Okay. Well, that was a fish. Threw right over that bottom. There we go. No, bro. I still got him on? No. Bruh, come on, bruh. Little small fish jumping out of the water. When the big one's gonna come up, man? I know I'm fishing with a fluke, but it can happen. I've caught one of the biggest fish on a fluke in this very spot, bro. In this very spot. One of my biggest fish. If y'all haven't seen that video, bro, I'm gonna be sure to link that too. On a spinning setup. Now these mice wanna mace with me and not. stay on the hook and twist my line up over my rod tip. Let's get it, man. Dude, these fish are small, bro. Oh wait, he grew. It's the best one of the day, man, right there. There's a fish. On the Tokyo rig. On the Tokyo rig. On the Tokyo. Now that is a mouth. That's a mouthful. Look at how he ate that. Not a big fish, but just pretty eat. Boom, y'all. Let's get it. There's a fish. They eating now, man. It's all good. Quick release. He was a small one. They ate it though. Alright, y'all, we're gonna end that video right there, man. Hope y'all enjoyed those fish catches. Really hope y'all enjoyed those fish catches, man. Real nice to go out and try to break in a new rod. Can't wait until that inception comes in tomorrow. Y'all just stick around, man. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Go watch some more. It's Dee.WildTv.